Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We have something really exciting to unbox and review. It's the Beats Studio Buds Plus True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds in the transparent variant. As you know, I'm a huge fan of audio gadgets, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on these in this. The packaging of the Beats Studio Buds Plus is sleek and eye-catching. Just like the product itself, as I open the box, I'm greeted with a beautifully designed case that holds the earbuds. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds, the charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and different sizes of ear tip. Taking a closer look at the design, the transparent earbuds look modern and sophisticated. They're compact and lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods. The ear tips come in various sizes, ensuring a snug fit that also aids in passive noise isolation. The touch controls on T. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect, sound quality. The Beats Studio Buds Plus deliver impressive audio performance. The sound is well balanced, with rich bass, clear mids, and detailed highs, whether you're listening to your favorite music, podcasts, or watching videos. The audio quality after spending some time using the Beats Studio Buds Plus True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds, I can confidently say that they live up to the hype. The combination of sleek design, excellent sound quality, noise cancellation, and useful features make these earbuds a solid choice. That's a wrap for today's unboxing and review of the Beats Studio Buds Plus True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds in the transparent variant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.